If you value privacy and great developer tools, Firefox is one of the best browsers on Mac. This is a quick one. Install, set as default, import bookmarks. Let's go. Go to mozilla.org/Firefox and click Download Firefox. Open the downloaded DMG file. Drag Firefox into the Applications folder, then launch it from Applications or Spotlight. When Firefox opens, it'll probably ask if you want to make it your default browser. Click Yes, or go to the Firefox menu. Choose Settings. Under Account and Synchronization, click Make Default and confirm in the macOS dialog. To import your bookmarks, open the Firefox menu, go to Bookmarks, then Manage Bookmarks. Click Import Bookmarks from HTML. Choose Import Data from another browser. Select Safari or Chrome. Choose what you want to import, and your bookmarks transfer immediately. Create a Firefox account at accounts.firefox.com, then sign in through Firefox Preferences and Firefox Account. Your bookmarks, history, and passwords will sync across all your devices, including iPhone. Done. Firefox is installed, set as your default browser, and your bookmarks are imported. If you're a developer, check out Firefox Developer Edition for additional debugging tools. Subscribe for more browser and Mac tips.